Hi, and welcome to a special edition of the Nails Truly News, where I'm introducing Mix and Match for both Juneteenth and the 4th of July. Mix and match bundles are extremely easy to make. All you have to do is buy 12 items from the Mix and Match category, and you'll simply be upgraded to a bundle for free. The Mix and Match section will include an array of dips, including the Juneteenth and 4th of July dips, cuticle oils, and a new series of size decals, both full coverage and individual, that coordinate with everything. And for all of you with long nails, I am now carrying long full coverage decals, also sized by width. I've included over 68 items in the Mix and Match and intend to continue to add. All the items in the Mix and Match section range from about $2 to no more than $3.50. To help with sizing, you'll find an illustration on every listing on how to measure your nails at home. Also in the Mix and Match section will be a wide variety of Nelfie accessories, including rings and Nelfie sleeves. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for up-to-date information on Nails Truly News.